All right, so this is our blue inbounds play run from the left side. And the primary action here is really with 5 and 3. So these are the two players who are going to be involved in the key part of the play. 4 and 2 then create kind of safety valves for us. So the very first action when the ball is slapped is 5 is going to turn and run and set a screen here for 3. Okay, so 5 moves over, sets the screen for 3. 3 needs to wait for that screen. Every time you're receiving a screen, you need to wait for it, okay? It avoids getting a moving screen violation, but it also makes the screen work. It doesn't work if you start moving before the screener actually gets there. So 5 sets a screen, 3 is going to come right down and replace 5, okay? And that's the first opportunity. If that screen works and the defense doesn't switch properly, then potentially we get an easy pass and lay in right there. You know, and that would be the easiest option to come out of this play. But the play is not done. So as soon as this screen is being set, 4 needs to move all the way over here into the corner. Okay? And it's important that 4 move all the way into the corner, and I'll explain why in just a second. Again, when that's happening, 2 is going to be drifting over into the corner as a safety valve option. 5, as soon as they set the screen, is going to cut straight down to the block that 4 started out on, okay? And this is our other primary pass option. So 5 comes up, sets a screen. 3 waits for the screen and then cuts down. This is an option here. 5 should seal their defender. The defense probably is going to switch, which means that 5's old defender is going with 3. 3's old defender is still behind 5. So if you make this action quick enough, then this pass is available here for a layup. So either way, we're looking to get a layup from either side out of this play. The reason I said that 4 needs to move all the way into the corner is because if 4 stays close in, then 4's defender is in a position to move over and help on 5. Okay? And so potentially we can't get that pass in here, or we get it in, but this layup isn't available because the defender. So if 4 doesn't move early enough, or if 4 doesn't move out far enough and hopefully take their defender with them, then this pass isn't going to be available. If 5 and 3 are both bottled up and that's not available, then 4 comes up top as a lob safety valve option. That's kind of our last option. 2 previously had just moved into the corner, and so that's another one that we can look for. As I'm always going to say, if we get the ball into the corner, then 2 needs to immediately be looking for one of a few passes. Either pass in here to 3, pass way up here to 4, who just moved all the way around and filled in that spot at the top of the key, or potentially they just got the ball. 1 can cut around them and either get a handoff or be available for a pass back here. So a few different options for how blue plays out from the left side. I'll draw it up in a separate video from the right side so that you can see how it works when it's mirrored.